Welcome to the heart of Umbria. We are just a 20-minute drive from Perugia, where scale, history and opportunity come together in an extraordinary estate. I am Danilo Romolini, and today we are about to visit together one of the largest private estates in central Italy. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. What you see here is not just a property, but a landmark spanning over 1,800 hectares or 4,500 acres of rolling hills, forests, farmland and unspoiled natural beauty. At its core stands a remarkable 10th century Benedictine Abbey, spanning over 6,500 square meters and telling a story that spans over 1,000 years. The Abbey rises on the remains of an ancient Roman temple. Its documented history begins in 1969 when Pope John VIII entrusted Abbot Peter with rebuilding the monastery and restoring monastic life under the rule of Saint Benedict. It soon became one of the most powerful ecclesiastical centers in the Perugia area, with influence over vast territories. At its peak in the 11th century, the Abbey controlled extensive lands and held significant political authority. A charter from 1995 survives today as the oldest notarial document in the Perugia territory. Walking through the property, you can still appreciate original elements of great historical value. The cloister and church, rebuilt on the 13th century, were enriched with important works of art, including frescoes and early 14th century panels. On the same level of the cloister, we're now inside the ancient cellars, which still preserve original architectural features and these beautiful arches on the ceilings. The church is one of the most impressive parts of the property, with these incredible 20 meters high ceilings. Within this grand volume, the original altars stand as refined artistic focal points. Richly decorated by Bartolomeo Caporali and Fiorenzo di Lorenzo, whose work enhances the spiritual atmosphere and historical depth of the space. The original layout of the property makes it particularly suitable for an hospitality project, with around 20 to 25 large suites that could be created. Surrounding the Abbey are about 50 farmhouses, totaling up to 30,000 square meters of internal spaces. 20 of these farmhouses are in good condition and have been restored, while the rest needs to be redeveloped. The land is equally impressive. 1,800 hectares of external space, 346 of which are arable land. There are 12,000 olive trees with 51 hectares of olive grove in total, excellent for an important production of olive oil. The estate also includes extensive woodland and pasture. Adding to its exclusivity, there is a private wildlife and hunting reserve extending over 1,000 hectares, ensuring privacy and environmental preservation. A well-developed internal road network and numerous trails connect the entire estate, offering a strong potential for recreational and hospitality use. This is a remarkable opportunity to acquire a property that combines heritage, scale, and development potential in one of Italy's most authentic regions. Thank you for joining this tour, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!